So hello friends, welcome back once again in the another video. So in this video we will discuss that how we use the NVM and what is the NVM and what is the use of the NVM. So friend, NVM actually the node version manager, and it is a tool that allow you to easily install, manage and work with multiple Node.js versions on your system. So it provides a command line interface to switch between different versions of Node.js. So friend, NVM actually we use when we need different node versions for the different projects. So suppose I have created a project in the lower version of the node, and currently I am using a highest version of the node. So the management of the node in the same system is very difficult to manage, and we face different type of problems. So we use the NVM. So NVM actually easily manage the node versions in the system. So in this video we will implement the NVM in Mac OS machine, and we will use the different commands for handling the NVM. So let's start. So suppose first of all I open a terminal, and suppose this is all the docs of the NVM, and you can read all about why we use the NVM and what is the key features of the NVM. So we can read here. And second, if you are using a Windows machine, so you can directly download the NVM from here. So all the download link is given here, and all the release date of each NVM is given here. And for the Mac, also given all the steps. So you need this command to install the NVM. So here is the two commands. First is this, and this is the second. So you can use one of them. So suppose I am copy the first command and just paste here, and it take few seconds for installment. So now you can see here the NVM is ready. So now you can see here NVM is installed in your system. So for the checking, you just type here NVM. So here nothing is showing. So we will follow the next steps. So first we run this command. So actually we run this command already, and another command is this. We need to run this command also here, and another is the run the install script here. Now we have run all the commands. So if you are using Windows, so all the instructions of the installation steps is given here for the Windows machine. You can download like this, and you can follow all the given steps for the Windows machine. But if you are using Mac, so for the Mac the old step is given here. All the step is also given here. You can follow these steps. After running this command, we need here bash profile, zshrc slash profile and bash hrc. So it depends on your system configurations. Suppose you can check here. So I am using here zsh terminal because I have a Intel based Mac OS machine. So I need for the Mac OS which are Intel based. So we need here zshrc file. So we just open this file. So you can just copy here and just type here open like this. You just type here, just open. But you can see here this file is not exist. So if this file is not exist, so you just type here touch command, and now you can just open this file. So you can see here this file will be open like this. So if this file is not exist, so you need to create this file with the touch command. So we just copy all the instructions given here. So we need to export the NVM. So we just copy this and we just type here. So after paste here, we just need to command plus S. We just save this and just close the terminal. And the next commands according to your configuration. If you are using bash hrc, so I need here zshrc file. So I just copy the source command from here and just type here. So source command actually we used for just refresh the zhrc file. So we just enter here So if you type here again open, so all the content you add here will be C. So this is the other language, but the step is same, so we need not to follow all these steps. So now we will follow the another step given in the usage. So all the commands for the window machine is given here, nvm list available, and this command is given for the mac os. So we just copy this command, nvm ls remote. So this command actually show you all the available node versions. So all the available node versions is showing here with this command. So the latest version is a version 25, but this version is actually not a LTS, but we only use the LTS version. LTS actually the long term support, means the stable version. So the last stable version is the version 24.2 12.0. So the another command, we need to install the version, because if you just type here node version, so you will see the already this version actually already installed in my machine. So if you want to install another version, so you just need to copy this command from here and you just type here like this, and this version will be installed in your machine. So this version is actually already installed in my machine. So suppose I want to install another version. Suppose I want to install the version 23. So you just need to again, so you can just type nvm list. So nvm list actually work for the window as well as for the mac. So you can also use here nvm ls, but you just press here nvm list. So all the installed version will be C with this command. And if you use this command here, nvm ls, so this command will also show you all the installed version. Yeah, nvm ls also show you all the installed version in your machine. So you can also use nvm list or you can use nvm ls. Any one of them you can use. So another command you have nvm install LTS. So this command actually used for the latest LTS version. And if you want to check the current nvm version, so you can just type here this command. This will show you the current nvm version. So this is the current nvm version now installed and we are using. For checking the node version, now we are using this version. Actually now the last installed version is showing here. So suppose I want to open a new terminal. So suppose I open a new terminal and type here node version. So this is actually showing a default version. It's already showing version 22 point. So but here the node version is showing 22, but here the node version is showing 23. Actually this is showing only a last current version we have installed. But if you want to change your default version in the different terminals, when you open any terminal, so the default version will be show. So you need to use this command. For the Windows machine you can use this, and for the Linux you can also use the same command. Suppose I want to change here the default version, so I just change here any one of them. Suppose I want to make a default version is now this version should be the default version, so I can just type here like this and just enter. So now the default version is 24, and if you remove this and open a new terminal again and check here node version, so you can see here now the default version is 24 and it's showing here. So like this, in the Mac you can manage the different versions of the node with the help of the NVM. So NVM is a very helpful tool for the management of the node versions. So I hope this video is very helpful for understanding how we manage the node versions with the help of the NVM. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.